Good morning friends, I Jagdish Maurya, welcome to all in my channel. Dear friends, in my previous video we explained the addition of matrices. Here today we discuss about the multiplication of matrices by a scalar, negative of matrix, difference of matrix and properties of matrix addition. Let's we start the video. Multiplication of matrix by a scalar. The multiplication of a matrix Aij m by n. The multiplication of a matrix A equal to Aij of m by n and a scalar k is defined as Ka equal to K Aij m by n, and this will come K Aij m by n, means multiplication of matrix and a scalar k is also a matrix which is obtained by multiplying each element of A by k. For example, let A equal to 1, minus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and K equal to 2. Then 2A equal to 2 into 1 minus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this will come 2 into 1, multiplying each element by 2, 2 into minus 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 5, 2 into 6 of 2 by 3. This is matrix 2 by 3 and this will come 2 minus 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 of 2 by 3. Now negative of matrix A. Negative of a matrix the negative of a matrix A is defined as minus of A, and we can write as minus of A equal to minus 1 into A, means negative of a matrix A is the scalar multiplication of A by -1 For example, let A equal to 1, 2, minus 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 5, 3. Then minus of A equal to minus 1, 2, minus 3, 4, 5, 6, and this will come minus 1, minus 2, plus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Means each element multiplied by minus 1. This will come minus 1, minus 2, 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Now we define difference of two matrices. Difference of two matrices. The difference of two matrices A equal to Aij and B equal to Bij of same order. Of same order is a matrix obtained by adding A and minus of B and it is defined as A minus B equal to A plus minus of B, means Aij plus minus of Bij, and this will come Aij plus minus Bij. This is equal to Aij minus Bij. This is A minus B. For example, let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B equal to minus 2, minus 3, 4, 5, minus 3, 9. then a minus b equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus minus 1 into bij minus 2 minus 3 4 5 minus 3 9. This will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 2, 3 minus 4, 5, 3 minus 9. This will come 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 minus 4, 4 minus 4 plus 5, 5 plus 3, 6 minus 9. And this will come 3, 5 minus 1, 9, 8 minus 3. This is the difference of two matrices. Now, properties of matrix addition. First property, matrix addition is commutative. The first property is commutative property. Let A equal to Aij of m by n and B equal to Bij of m by n are two matrices. Then A plus B equal to B plus A. As A plus B equal to Aij plus Bij. And we know that when we add the matrices, their corresponding elements are added. This will come Aij plus Bij. Aij and Bij are real number or complex number. The real number and complex number are commutative. 1 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Means addition of real number is commutative. Here Aij and Bij are real number. So we can write Bij plus Aij. And by the definition of addition of matrices, we can write this Bij plus Aij, and this will come B plus A. A plus B equal to B plus A, means the result remains same when we change the order of addition. Means either we can add A plus B or B plus A, but the results are same. For example, let A equal to 1 2 3 minus 4 3 2 and B equal to minus 1 2 3 4 6 7. Here A plus B equal to 1 2 3 minus 4 3 2 plus minus 1 2 3 4 6 7, and this will come in the addition of matrix. We add the corresponding elements. 1 plus minus 1, this will come 0, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, minus 4 plus 4, 0, 3 plus 6, 9, 2 plus 7, 9. When we add B plus A, this will come minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 plus 1, 2, 3 minus 4, 3, 2, and this will come minus 1 plus 1, 0, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 3, 9, 3 plus 3, 6, 4 plus minus 4, 0, 6 plus 3, 9, 7 plus 2, 9. Here both results are same. Therefore, A plus B equal to B plus A. Now, second property, matrix addition is associative. Matrix addition is associative. Let A equal to Aij of m by n, B equal to Bij of m by n, and C equal to Cij of m by n. These are matrices of same order. Then A plus B plus C. This equal to A plus B plus C. Means either we can add first B and C, then we add A, or we can add A and B first, then add C. Both results are same result. This is the associative property. For the proof, here first we add B plus C. A plus B plus C, this will come Aij plus Bij plus Cij. This will come Aij plus addition of Bij and Cij. Bij plus Cij. This will come Aij plus, here we add first Bij and Cij. Bij plus Cij. Bij, Cij. These numbers are real number or complex number, and we know that real numbers and complex numbers, addition of real number and complex number are associative. We can write this Aij plus Bij plus Cij, and by the addition of these matrix, here by the definition we can write Aij plus Bij plus Cij. This will come A plus B plus C. Means both are the same result. A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. And this is the matrix of M by N. For example, let A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 4, 5, 6, and C equal to 1, minus 3, 4. A plus B plus C means first we add B plus C. Here 1, 2, 3 plus B 4, 5, 6 plus 1 minus 3, 4 corresponding elements are added. 1, 2, 3 plus 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus minus 3, 2, 6 plus 4, 10. Now this will come 1 plus 5, 6, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 10, 13. If we add A plus B first, then we add C, then A plus B, 1, 2, 3 plus 4, 5, 6 plus 1 minus 3, 4. This will come 1 plus 4, 5, 2 plus 5, 7, 3 plus 6, 9 plus 1 minus 3, 4. This will come 5 plus 1, 6, 7 plus minus 3, 4, 9 plus 4, 13. Here we see that both results are same results. So A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Now existence of identity. Additive identity. Let A be any matrix then corresponding to A, there exists zero matrix O such that A plus O equal to O plus A equal to A. Means zero matrix is a matrix when we add in any matrix the same matrix is obtained. For example, let A equal to 4, 5, 6, 7 is a matrix and corresponding to A there exists matrix O 0, 0, 0, 0 of same order such that A plus O equal to 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 0, 0, 0, 0. This will come 4 plus 0, 4, 5 plus 0, 5, 6 plus 0, 6, 7 plus 0, 7. When we add a zero matrix in any matrix, the same matrix is obtained. 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly, here if we add 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, this will come 4, 5, 6, 7. The zero matrix is called additive identity matrix. Zero matrix is called additive identity matrix. Existence of additive inverse. Existence of additive inverse. Let A be any matrix, then corresponding to A there exists a matrix negative of A. Such that A plus minus of A equal to minus of A plus A equal to 0, then minus of A is called additive inverse of A. Minus of A is called additive inverse of A. For example,